Hi, I'm Mark from Trail Buddy. Today I wanted to go over just a quick little video on how to charge your battery when you charge it with acid. So if you come here, I'll get closer. What I've got here is I've got an old battery that we're taking out of the bike, and I've got a new one here. Now, I'm not going to charge this one, but this one would be filled with acid up to the sight lines here, across each cell pack. And once that's done, how you want to charge this guy is you want to take off this part here so we can get at it. And so we've got our positive, the red, and our negative, which is the blue, which is found here and under the sticker there. So to charge this guy, well, how the heck do we charge it? Because it's got these little plugs way inside here. So the best thing to do is what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my negative terminal and I'm going to insert it inside the plug here. But I'm going to, if you look in there, I'm going to make sure that I'm touching the one to the left for sure. So I'm going to grab this guy, put it in there, crimp down on that terminal sticking out, and now I've got a good negative connection. So I've already disconnected my positive lead here, taken out the fuse, and I'm going to take my positive side here, and I'm going to crimp on this way here to make sure that I got a good contact. Now I like to put it like right there on the corner of that beak so I know that I've got a good contact, and make sure that these are far apart, and then plug in the other end of your unit. Now, it's a good idea when you charge this thing with acid that you let it sit for 30 minutes to off gas and then start charging. So you don't want to just start doing this right away, fill it with acid, start charging it. You're going to want to fill it up, let it sit, so that way the glass mats inside can absorb the electrolyte fluid or the acid. And then after 30 minutes, then start charging it. So I've got it hooked up to a little battery tender here, and it'll give me the green light when it's good to go. Again, more of these parts can be found on mytrailbuddy.com. Thanks for watching.